Dino-snore by Jenny Jinks, illustrated by Samantha Shinbagam, Rathich Creston. Orange Band. Star loved to sleep. She dozed all day and napped all night. But the more Star slept, the less sleep everyone else got. Star's snore was a big problem. What can we do about Star? They were at a jungle meeting. Star was snoozing at the back. I have an idea, said Fizz. But just then Cal burst in. Hit Spike. Spike was the biggest, scariest beast in the whole jungle. He is on the rampage, and he is coming this way, said Cal. Everyone hide. But it was too late. Roar! Roared Spike. Stomp, stomp, stomp. He crashed through the jungle, crushing everything in his path. We must leave, said Cal. But what about Star? She was still fast asleep. No time. Run, said Cal. But Fizz could not just leave Star. Then he had an idea. Fizz marched right up to Spike. Hey! Spike stopped. Nobody ever dared to speak to him. Don't go this way, Fizz said. Why not? Said Spike. Because my friend will get you, said Fizz. She's even bigger and scarier than you. Nobody is scarier than me, laughed Spike. Then they heard a loud rumbling sound. Rah, 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 rah. What was that? Spike asked. My friend, smiled Fizz. I'm not frightened, said Spike, but he didn't look sure. The rumbling came again, this time even louder. It made the ground quake. It made the trees shiver. It made Spike with fear. You'd better run or she'll find you, said Fizz. Spike turned and ran, and he never came back. The jungle is safe, everyone cried. Hooray for Fizz! And Star, Fizz said. Star snored so loudly she woke herself up. Did I miss something? She asked. Everyone laughed. Quiz. What does Star love to do? A. Run. B. Sleep. C. Eat. Sleep is the answer. What is a big problem? A. Stars snore. B. Stars laugh. C. Stars smell. Stars snore is the answer. Who was the biggest, scariest beast in the whole jungle? A. Star. B. Fizz. C. Spike. Spike is the answer. Who does not leave Star? A. Spike. B. Fizz. C. Cal. Fizz is the answer. Why does Star wake herself up at the end? A. She snores loudly. B. She sneezes. B. She is hungry. She snores loudly is the answer.